Hey everybody, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm Laura. If you're new, I do subscription box unboxings, shopping hauls, outfit of the day, so much more. My sidekicks always join me. This is Wyatt. This is Zena. Hope you stick around, hit that subscribe. It really helps me continue to bring you boxes just like today's. And for today, I have the Winter FabFitFun box. If you are not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a lifestyle subscription, $49.99 a month, and generally you get items valued at $200 or more. It does depend on your preferences, and you get to pick, right? So you do fill out a profile. You generally do get items that are specific to your preferences, but there is a customization window that opens up and you get to pick quite a variety. There's usually about 5 different items you can choose from, and depending on how early you get in, you'll get more choices. If you're a little bit later in the window, then a lot of times some things are sold out. So what you get does generally depend on that, and then that could swap up the value of your box. Okay. And the variety is quite good in these boxes. I really love this. I've been doing FabFitFun for quite some time, and I've always loved these boxes. Okay, so here's what I see when I open it up. You always do get a booklet that tells you about the items inside your box, and there's generally other information in here as well. There's an editor's note, and then it'll tell you what's inside your box. And then, they'll tell you about what they have, their charity, end of year charity recap. And then there's lots of other information in here. So I don't know if it's going to tell me. Yeah, it talks about some of the products and people that are involved in this box. And then if you want to customize the entire box, you do have to be an annual member, meaning you pay for 12 months, or this is a seasonal subscription, so all 4 boxes at once. All right, let's get into it. Okay. First of all, I have stickers. FabFitFun stickers. It says, cheers to you, darling. Celebrate you. These little Christmas stickers. Little bows. Very cute. All right. Let's see here. Good packaging. Something smells good in here. I have some promo codes for HBO Max, HelloFresh, wine. What is this? This is Wellness Liquid IV, Fueling Life's Adventures. Meet our multipliers, 360 Wellness Starter Pack. It says, the breakthrough science of cellular transport technology is an optimal ratio of nutrients that delivers hydration rapidly into your bloodstream, hydrating you 2 to 3 times faster and more efficiently than water alone. It says, think of CTT as an expedited water delivery system in your body. That's interesting. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, and it's made in the USA. This must be a sample. This box contains 3 individual stick packs, and it's just a hydration multiplier, and it looks like you open it up and just put it in water. Yeah, energy supplier. It says a hydration multiplier, energy multiplier, and immune support. All right, that's interesting. Okay, next up is something very heavy. What is this? This is from Coral. Oh, I know what these are. These are weights. That's why. All right, so they're in a little packet. And this was a customization you could pick. They're 1 pound wrist or ankle weights. I thought, oh, these would be good as I'm like, you know, in my house, not getting as much movement as I thought I should. I could wear these just in like everyday life. right? So I thought, I wonder if, and these feel heavier than a pound. I thought, I wonder if I could like put these on while I'm like working at my computer, right? Like walking around the house, like doing just up and down the steps and stuff. Like, is that something that I could just put these on and use them? So these are valued at $35. And here's what they look like. So on, they don't feel too bad. But then you could just, you know, get a workout. And you can, like it said, they're ankle or wrist weights. And I thought, oh, maybe I could just see how long I could stand having these on. And get a workout just doing everyday stuff. So we're going to do them on my wrist so you guys can see them. They do feel weighted, but they don't feel terrible. We'll see how I feel at the end of this video after I leave them on. So these are valued at $35. Okay, more stuff. What is this? This is a Sunday Riley product. I love the Sunday Riley products. I was really excited about the options in the winter box. So I will tell you that I've always felt like I've gotten more than the price I pay for the box. This is a box I do on my own. I've been doing this far before I started my channel, and I've always loved this box. Okay. This is called their High Dose Retinol Serum. And I started loving the Sunday Riley products when I started getting them in the Rachel Zoe box, which is now called Curator. It's another one I do all on my own and I love. But I always think the Sunday Riley products are amazing. Let's see what the value of this one is. This one is valued at $85. They are expensive. I have purchased them myself when I've loved them and wanted to replenish. This is the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. It says Advanced Strength Retinoid Serum delivers a 6.5% power blend of stabilized retinoids and retinoid-like botanical extracts into the skin. And this is a 30 ml size. $85, like I said, is the value of this one. All right, I'm excited to try that. What else have we got? This one is Briogeo, I hope I'm saying that well, Farewell Frizz. This is Blow Dry Protection and Heat Protectant Cream. This one is valued at $24. So it says Farewell Frizz, Blow Dry Protection and Heat Protectant Cream, and a lightweight finishing formula infused with our signature blend of rosehip, argan, and coconut oils to effectively reduce frizz, smooth hair, and enhance shine while protecting from the heat. I always need something like that because my hair frizzes so easily. All right, next, this is tweezers with a pouch. Here's the box. And these were all part of custom. You could pick, like you got to pick what you wanted. So I'm pretty sure I picked these two. I'm making such a mess here. Yep. So here's what I see. You think I'm getting a workout? I love these weights. I just leave them on like all the time. It's so funny. Get these tweezers out. I always need tweezers. My husband and my son steal my tweezers like all the time. So here's what they look like. These are good ones. I like these. This is the Summer and Rose Ahava and Aesthetica bundle. So you're only seeing part of it so far. This is part of the bundle. So it goes right inside this little pouch. I'll be traveling here soon, so this will actually come in incredibly handy. I love tweezers like that. Perfect. Okay, that's part of it. And I think this is the other part. Yeah. No. No. This must be. This must be. The Ahava Time to Clear Refreshing Cleansing Gel. This is a 3.4 full ounce. This is going to have to come with me too on this trip. So this is gentle soapless gel, works as a deep daily cleanser, ideal for removing makeup and impurities, and leaves your face feeling fresh, clear, and supple. Perfect. I'm going to need that. And then the last part is this. And then that whole bundle. So the tweezers, the face gel, and this, which is liquid eyeliner, is $58. And this is by Aesthetica. So $58 for all. Let's see what this looks like. I like liquid eyeliner. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, that looks good. Yep, looks like you can go thin or thick. I like that. Perfect. All right, I think this is a good box. What do you think? I love the variety. I love the variety. Okay, more. All right, next I have tea sampler. If you watch my channel, you guys know I love tea. Love tea. In fact, I'm drinking tea this morning, which is a cranberry tea that one of my amazing subscribers sent to me. Love it. This is a Vatim India tea sampler valued at $25. There's 25 tea bags in here. Check this out. So let's see. There is India's original. This is chai. There is sweet cinnamon. So the original chai, this is sweet cinnamon chai. These are all chai. This is traditional chai with vanilla. I love chai with vanilla. That's generally how I get it when I go to Starbucks. And let's see, what is this one? This is herbal tea. So this one is not chai. This is a turmeric ginger herbal tea. Whoop. What else have we got? Yep, that one's the one with vanilla. So it looks like those are my flavors in here. Yep. Looks like I have 3 or 4 different flavors here. Awesome. All right, and I have one more thing in here, it looks like. All right, so I'm super excited about this. This is by Glamnetic. And it is faux eyelashes. So I have never gotten down how to do the faux eyelashes. So this is another chance for me. This is valued at $59.99. These are Glamnetic Virgo magnetic eyelashes. It says plus So Future mini magnetic felt tip eyeliner pen. So this says add an extra wow factor to your makeup look with these gorgeous lashes. The eyeliner pen gives you a highly pigmented wing if you want that, while keeping your eyelashes in place all day with its strong magnetic hold. The lashes are made from top quality synthetic fibers for an all natural look. They're also vegan friendly and feature 6 magnets on the back to hold tight onto the magnetic eyeliner all day. All right, I've never done this before. You're gonna have to check out my outfits of the day to see if this works. I tried one other kind once and it was an epic failure for me. But they were magnetic lashes that like top and bottom that stuck to each other. It was awful. It did not work. So this is my next try. And we're going to see if I can do it. Let me see if I can get these out for you. But I'm excited to try them. $59.99 is the retail value of these. Here we go. So I like that they're not crazy, you know, for me to start with, and then I can build up from there. So I'm super excited and pumped to try these. I may need someone who is an expert at this to help me with them, but you're going to see, hopefully you're going to see those, that I don't destroy them in trying them out. And that's my box. What did you think? All right. I liked it, but I love FabFitFun, so I thought this was a great box. I'll put all the information for FabFitFun down below. I'm still wearing these and they're not bothering me, so that's awesome. I'm going to have to try them on at work all day, and people will be like, what are those bracelets you have on? But I'll put my link down below. If you use my link and sign up, you'll get $10 off your first box. All right. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this, would love you hit that like before you go. Also would love if you show me some support, hit that subscribe. If you already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everybody. Bye-bye.